Yeah.
6 silent killerbusters in bedroom and floor cleaning. If the kitchen is the heart of the home, our bedrooms are our sanctuaries. A place of rest, repose and respite. We spend more time in our bedrooms than any other single room in the house. So it's logical that we want our bedrooms to be as fresh and chemical-free as possible. While it may take a bit of thought, the end results are definitely worth the effort. These 6 green bedroom and floor cleaning secrets will keep your bedroom and floor clean without those pesky toxins and killer fumes. By the same token, you can also have up to 25% in savings, community, and the environment. 1. Aromatherapy and spritzer. Put any herb such as rosemary or lavender in a spray bottle filled with pH 9.5 ER alkaline drinking water and set for a couple of hours. Then, use the mixture as a spritzer in your house for aromatherapy and an air freshener. 2. Baby toys to diaper pails. Babies smell so sweet. Of course, until that moment they don't. Surfaces in your precious baby's room are some of the most important to keep clean, disinfected and chemical-free. Yet we are encouraged to use harsh chemicals like washing powder, bleach and sanitizing wipes to clean everything from nappies to toys. This is where a little preparation can save you lots of time, energy and money, all while safely and effectively cleaning everything in your baby's room. A baby's immune system is still delicate and under development. Constant assaults by hazardous chemicals can delay or even impair this important system. So taking steps to remove these health hazards has long-lasting ramifications. Every nursery should have 4 glass spray bottles with very fine mist settings in different colors and clearly labeled. Spray bottle number 1. A spray bottle filled with pH 2.5 strong acidic ER water. Use this to spray diaper changing surfaces, the inside of diaper pails, crib rails, toys and the myriad of other things a baby would put into its mouth. Spray the changing table after each use, the crib and toys at least 1 time per week. Also, immediately spray down those protein-based stains before tossing the clothes into the hamper. Spray mist all drapes or curtains and rugs weekly. Replace this water every 2 to 3 days to ensure the highest level of antimicrobial properties. Spray bottle number 2. A spray bottle filled with pH 4 to 6 mild acidic ER beauty water. This water is perfect for spraying down painted furniture surfaces, followed by wiping down with a soft cloth to keep the entire room clean and bright. Spray bottle number 3. A spray bottle filled with pH 11.5 strong alkaline ER water. Spray this water on all oil, fat-based stains on your baby's clothes before tossing into the laundry hamper. Spray bottle number 4. A spray bottle filled with a mixture of pH 11.5 strong alkaline ER water and 3 to 4 drops of essential oil of lavender. Just before bedtime, spray baby's sheets, bumper pads and blankets with a light mist of this sleep-enhancing mist. Lavender is well known to create states of relaxation and enhance deep, restful sleep. All upholstery fabrics, drapes and rugs also benefit from a quick spray every week to keep baby's room smelling fresh. 3. Closet and drawers. Wipe out drawers and wipe down shelves with pH 2.5 strong acidic ER water to deodorize and kill the bacterial and fungal microbes that promote musty doors. In fact, you can enjoy the fresh scent every time you open a drawer or a closet door when you spray weekly or monthly ER fragrance scent of your choice. 4. Linen. Spray a few sheets of paper towels with the ER fragrance scent of your choice. Allow them to dry and then place between the folds of your sheets and towels before storing in your linen closet. Further, clean mist with pH 2.5 strong acidic ER water to sanitize blankets, mattress, pads, and pillows, etc. Allow them to fully dry. Then, follow up with a light misting with your room spray. Now your fresh linens will stay fresh even longer. 5. Carpet and rugs. Soak and remove oil-based stains with ER Water All-Purpose Cleaner for 10-20 minutes. Next, blot out dirt on carpet and rinse. Carpet and rugs are notorious for retaining odors from pets, cooking, food spills and much more. Traditional cleaning methods use a combination of steam and washing powder. The problem, just like the dirt and oils, laundry washing powder, is trapped in the soap deposits on the carpet if not thoroughly rinsed. Even worse, the soap residue actually attracts more dirt and oils, so that clean carpet doesn't stay clean long. Oil-based stains. Soak the carpet in pH 11.5 strong alkaline ER water for at least 20 minutes to remove oil-based stains. Then, follow pre-treatment with washing with ER laundry washing powder No. 1. Protein-based stains. Soak overnight in pH 2.5 strong acidic ER water to remove odor from carpet and rugs. It also removes the dingy film that keeps whites from looking bright. In addition, put through a rinse cycle in the washer before continuing washing with ER laundry washing powder No. 2. Stubborn stains. In fact, ER laundry washing powder No. 2 removes coffee stains, oil stains, soy sauce, grease, or tough dirt stains from your carpet and rug. pH 2.5 strong acidic ER water eliminates pet odor without carpet or rug fading color. This is especially important in hand-woven Persian rugs. A steam cleaner and pH 11.5 strong alkaline ER water easily accomplish overall cleaning. Proper pre-treat any stains. Then, fill the water canister as directed with pH 11.5 strong alkaline ER water. Next, add 10 drops essential oil of your choice to the final rinse water. You now have clean carpets without the harsh chemicals. 6. Ceramic tiles, vinyl, hardwood and laminated floors. Hardwood floors are beautiful and easy to care for with these tips. If you have been a fan of distilled white vinegar in cleaning, you will be very happy with the results you get when using pH 4 to 6 mild acidic ER beauty water. It has the same sheeting action without the offensive odor. It strips the soapy film left by traditional cleaning products, leaving a remarkable shine. Tile, vinyl and laminate floors can also benefit from the pH 4 to 6 mild acidic ER beauty water as well. Clean the floor thoroughly with the type of floor cleaner recommended for your particular flooring. Follow cleaning by rinsing with pH 4 to 6 mild acidic ER beauty water. The results speak for themselves. Can you imagine the satisfaction and peace of mind in empowering your family with good health and wealth like never before, especially in an economic slowdown? Connect with us. Let us explore the potential solution to the above challenges and more today. Besides, please let us know what other green living solutions you will like us to upload in our future videos. Comment below and I will try to respond to it as soon as possible. Meanwhile, if you find value in this video, please share with a friend or two. Remember, a great idea is the best gift you can give someone. Please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Finally, enable notifications in your account and hit the golden bell button for more new videos. Thank you for watching.